Hi everyone, welcome back to another budget closeout video. Today's Friday. This is the day I release my budget for the previous week. We are going to be looking at the week of April 30th to May 6th. Let me shrink myself so that we can get started here. I might have to move myself around a couple of times. But yes, so we are going to be taking my YNAB data and putting it onto my spreadsheet. This is the system that's working right now, so hopefully it's going to stay consistent. Looks like my total spend for the week of April 30th to May 6th, or as I call it, May week 1, was $4,596.38, spread over several categories. So we'll start off with bills and utilities at $2,700. I'm going to paste that over here. Travel, all of it is definitely work related. I spent hotel $792. $762, sorry, 06. Airfare. This is going to be reimbursed to me. It's $35. Food and dining, $517.70. But of course, this is going to be divided over several sets of expenses. Groceries. So I've been doing so good not spending any money. Come back into town just Friday and already I'm doing damage. It's crazy how the spending can just go out of control. All of the rest of the spending is work related, so I am going to do this for food and dining. I'm going to subtract, back to spending categories. I'm going to subtract 517. $517.70 by 212. Business services, $265. 09. Auto and transport. Before we do that, all of this looks like it's work. No, it's not. So tax and fuel I purchased before leaving for my trip. So auto and transport here, I'm gonna go on the taxi, subtract 176 from the fuel, minus auto and transport, so 111.14. Fees and charges. I hate this, but it is what it is. 75.69. Shopping. I'm proud of myself. I did spend money yesterday and wanted to smack myself over the head. It's like, why am I doing this to myself? Okay, we have that. 75.69. Fees and charges, okay. Shopping, entertainment. We will switch this because this is not entertainment. I feel like I keep doing this, but it's gonna keep happening, unfortunately. I choose to log this anytime I have a recurring expense, even if it falls under a category of home, entertainment, personal care, etc., but because it's a recurring monthly expense, I put it under bills and utilities. That's what, that aligns better with my mint, my YNAB expenses. So that makes it easier for me to track. So let me see. 4,000, yes. So my expenses for the week are reconciled. $4,596.38. So now let's take a look at how we stand. So yeah, increase my bills and utilities to 4,000. Okay. So expenses for the week are out of the way. That was a quick one. I was traveling most of the week, so I really have not spent a whole lot. Thank you guys for watching this video. That was just a quick weekly check-in. Hopefully you guys can see that it does not take a lot of time and effort for you to be doing this weekly check-in. So hopefully you are getting out your checkbook, doing this with me, and checking through all of your expenses to see what you're spending in each category and how you're going to be trending each week, so that you can hopefully be on or under budget for the rest of the month. I'm hoping this is the week that I do it, that I can really manage my expenses so that I'm not overspending at the end of the month. Thank you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.